Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create orthographic view of this component. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. Here, go for new. Orthographic view is nothing but creating a 2D views converting to a 2D view of from 3D model. This is the 3D model. From that we are going to draw a 2D views of the model. This one is the front view. We are drawn here, and top view has to be drawn at the top, straight top from the front view. Then side view we have to draw from here. The same way we are going to create a orthographic view for this component. For that, first go to the AutoCAD. As we have opened the AutoCAD, first we need to specify the units. For that, first type units. Here we need to choose decimal, precision choose 0, and here you choose millimeter. Say OK. Then go for limits. Here it shows the unknown command. Then type limits again. First lower corner is 0, 0, and upper right corner I am just specifying as 500, 500. Then Z enter, A enter. That's it. Now we have setted the screen. Then we'll create this orthographic view for this 3D model. First we'll start with the front view. The arrow mark which is the front view. By seeing from here, whatever the surface we can see this rectangle and this rectangle and this rectangle. Then we can see this rectangle and this rectangle. The cylindrical surface we can able to see as a rectangle. This surface only we can able to see. Now we'll start from the line. I am going to start from this point. This is coming as an inclined line. Press the F8 to switch on the ortho mode on. And total length is 10 plus 20 plus 10, which is 40. 40 enter. This is the 40 line. Then vertical height is, here you can see, vertical height is 10 mm. 10 and enter. And again 40 enter. Then select this point, right click, cancel. Now we have created this left side. This also separate surface we can see. Further take a line from here to here. The distance is 10 mm. 10 enter. Then perpendicular point, right click, cancel. Similarly this side also, from here to here, which is 10 mm. Perpendicular point, right click, cancel. So this is the bottom surface we can see in the front view. And here this 10 mm will go. The remaining is 20 mm. Take a line from here, which is 20, and this length is 10 mm. 10 enter. Then close it. Right click, cancel. Then take a line again. This cylindrical surface will show it as a rectangle only. Radius they have specified as 10. Then diameter will be 20. Then close the line. Right click, cancel. Then again take a line from here to here, which is 10 mm. Then close it. Right click and cancel. So this is the front view of this component. Then we'll go for the left side view. This left side view has to be drawn in the right side. Take a line. So take a reference from here. So right side view I am going to draw from here. The length is 30 mm. 30 enter. So this complete surface we can able to see, and this surface also we can able to see. So 30, and remaining length is 20. And this height is 10 mm. And again 20. And this height is also be 20. And the remaining is 20. just cancel it. Here just delete this line, delete this line, and delete this line. Take a line again. Now this is the 30 and 20, 50 and 10 mm we came. Then again we need to go for 20 mm and this length we need to define. Here you can see this is totally 30 and this distance is 20. Then again 10 mm, 10 mm, and this height is 20 mm and this again 20 mm. Then close the sketch. Right click, cancel. Now we have created this complete sketch. Take a line again. From here to this edge we can able to see this is 20 mm. From this point 20, enter, and perpendicular point, right click, cancel. Then this is the front view. We can see the cylindrical surface we have cutted material that has to be represented at the hidden line. Just take a line from here to here. The radius is 10 mm, 10, enter, and from here to here this point and this point, right click and cancel. This line will show it as a hidden line. For that, go to escape. Here by layer, others, load the hidden line option, hidden, say OK, then again OK. Now select these two lines, this line as well as this line. By layer, choose the hidden line, escape. Now we have specified this hidden line also. Then we'll go for the top view. This is the front view. This is the left side view we are drawn in the right side. Then top view has been drawn at the bottom of the front view. Take a line again. So top view we can able to see this surface and this surface. For that, just top view I'm taking from here. The length is 40 mm and this length is 20 mm. And this is a 10 mm, 10 mm, and again go for 10 mm, right click, cancel, take a circle with the radius, just click it here, radius is 10 mm, take a line again, this quadrant point, this one is 10 mm, and close the sketch, right click, cancel it. Then again go for the line, just go here, this is 10 mm and this length is also be 10 mm, this vertical length is 20 mm and this also be 20 mm and this is 20 again, this one is 10 mm and this is the close it, right click, cancel it. Now just remove the unwanted edges by using a trim tool, trim. This one is not necessary, this also be not necessary. So this is the top view of our model. This surface we can see and this surface we can see. Now we have created the front view, top view and left side view we have drawn in the right side. This hidden line indicates we cannot see hidden, this surface, this cutted surface has to be represented as the hidden line. Now we'll specify the dimensions. Further, just go here, linear dimension. This distance is 40. The dimension is showing very small. For that, go to the properties of dim style, dim STY. Just enter it. Modify. Symbols and arrow make it 4. Text also make it 4. Primary units make it 0. Just say OK. Then close it. Now we can able to see the dimension. You want to make the size a smaller size. Again go for the dim style. Modify. Symbols and arrow make it 3. Text is also make it 3. Primary units also make it 0. Just text is 3, symbols and arrow is 3. Primary units make it 0. Save OK, then close it. The size of the dimension and arrow will get reduced. Now specify the dimension one by one. Go for linear. From here to here, which is 30, and this dimension we can specify it as 20. Similarly, we can specify the dimension here. This is the first way of selecting the dimension. It will ask to select the points. By pressing enter, you can specify the object to specify the dimension. This one is 30. Again double enter. Select this object. This one is 20. And again enter it. The same command will get repeated. This point is 20. Now just go for double enter. The previous command will come. Single enter. The previous command will take. This total height is 50. And this radius we wanted, just go here, radius. This one is radius 10. And just take a line, linear command. And this distance is 30. And this dimension is 10. Now just escape it. Select this value. Just keep this 10 value in this side. That's it. Now we have specified all the dimensions. Now we can specify naming. Just go for multi-text. This one is the front view. Just create a small box here. This one is the front view. Just front view. Select all the text. Annotation size is 5. Just enter it. Then click it here. This one is the front view. Just Ctrl C. Then go for Ctrl V. This one is the right side view. Simply select it and place it here. Now we don't have a specific gap for that. Simply just select the sketch. Just go for move. Just click this first point. Just simply move the downward. Select this one. Just drag it here. Just place it here. Now this one is the front view, but this is not the front view. This is side view. Just select it and drag it and place it here. Just double click here. Just change the name as left side view. Left side view. This is folding. Just click this arrow. Now place it like this. This one is the left side view. Just double click this again. This one is the top. Now we have created the orthographic view of the this model. In that we have finished this drawing orthographic view of this model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.